In today's video, I am going to teach you how to plot or graph a formula in Microsoft Excel. To begin, you need to select the cells that contain your data. Click cell A1, and then drag your mouse down to highlight cells through B4. As you do this, you should see a shaded selection rectangle that covers both columns and the full set of rows you want to include. This step matters because Excel needs the correct range of numbers to know what to plot, especially when you want a smooth curve that represents a formula. Once the cells are highlighted, take a moment to confirm that the selection looks right. You want to make sure the highlighted area includes the X values in one column and the corresponding Y values in the other column. When the range is correct, you can move on to the chart tools. Now you will insert the chart. Look at the top ribbon menu and click the Insert tab. The ribbon is the strip at the top of Excel that contains different commands. When you click Insert, the available chart options appear below it. This is where Excel gives you chart types and quick recommendations based on your selected data. Selecting the right tab first helps ensure you see the correct buttons for creating your graph quickly. After you are on the Insert tab, locate the Recommended Charts button in the center of the ribbon. Click that button. You should see a panel or window pop up showing chart suggestions. Excel will automatically analyze the data you highlighted and present chart styles that match it. This is a convenient way to get a good starting point without manually choosing every chart setting. Next, in the Recommended Charts list, select the option labeled Scatter with smooth lines. Click that option so it is highlighted or previewed. This chart type is ideal when you want to plot a set of values and display them as a smooth curve, which makes it easier to visualize a function or formula pattern. The scatter plot connects the points in a way that suggests the overall shape of the relationship, rather than using rigid lines between every value. Once you have selected scatter with smooth lines, click OK. This confirms your choice and tells Excel to create the chart using the highlighted cells. After you click OK, Excel will instantly generate a formula-style curve on the worksheet. You should see a graph appear, typically in a chart area near where you clicked or where Excel decides to place it. At this point, you can quickly verify that the curve matches your expectations. Look at the plotted points and the smooth line. If your data range was correct, the curve should follow the overall trend of your values. If something looks off, you can always undo and adjust the selected cells, but in most cases, the initial range selection is what determines the quality of the plot. That is it for plotting your formula in Microsoft Excel using the recommended chart approach. This method is simple because it uses Excel suggestions and applies the smooth scatter style immediately, so you can go from data to a clear graph in just a few clicks. And that covers everything you need to know.